Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do a clap push-up. Begin by getting into a standard push-up position, ensuring your hands are directly under your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core tightly to maintain this alignment and prepare for the explosive movement. This strong foundation is crucial for both safety and effectiveness. Once in position, lower your body down as you would for a regular push-up, bringing your chest close to the floor. From this bottom position, you'll need to generate maximum power. Push off the ground with explosive force, aiming to propel your upper body upwards. This powerful push is what creates the necessary airtime for the clap. As your hands leave the ground, quickly bring them together to perform a clap in front of your chest. The key is speed and timing. Immediately after the clap, prepare for your landing. Absorb the impact by bending your elbows and shoulders, allowing your body to return smoothly to the starting push-up position. Control is vital to prevent injury. To master the clap push-up, consistency is key. Build a strong foundation with regular push-ups to develop the necessary upper body and core strength. Focus on generating explosive power from your chest and triceps, rather than just trying to jump high. If you're finding it too difficult, start by practicing with knee push-ups to build confidence and technique before progressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.